Integration. If you want to link your Wix store with PrintKK, you need to have both PrintKK and Wix accounts. Method 1. Integrate from the PrintKK. 1. Log into your account and navigate to the Dashboard section. 2. Click on Stores and then select Store Settings. 3. Select Wix. 4. Add Avenue Store. 5. Access your Wix account. 6. Then click the Agree and Add button. 7. Successfully connect store. Method 2. Integrate from Wix. 1. Log into Wix. 2. Go to Caps. 3. Find See More apps. 4. Search for PrintKK. 5. Click Add to Site. Successfully connect store. Publish. If you want to publish products to Wix, you need to have both PrintKK and Wix accounts. And link your store with PrintKK. Method 1. Publishing from Designs. My Designs 1. 1. Log into your account and navigate to the Dashboard section. 2. Click onto Designs and then select My Designs. 3. Select the product you want to publish. 4. Click on Publish and write to list your product on Wix. 5. Select the platform and store you wish to integrate. 6. Edit your products and design your pages. 7. Click Publish. Method 2. Publishing from Stores. Wix Draft Ad Design. 1. Log into your account and go to Stores. Wix Draft Ad Design. 2. Select the design in the store you want to publish. 3. Edit your products and design your pages. 4. Click Publish. After Publish, you can see this product in Wix and edit it. Visibility should be open.